This is more of a puzzle that I have. So if anyone has the solution to this, please let me know. I've been working on a top and there were some geometrical issues in it, as you can see here. So this geometry is a bit broken. And this is how, this is just what happened. And I thought, hey, that's cool. I'm going to go and fix that with Blender sculpting tools. And funny enough, I have done that. So weirdly, if I tap into edit mode, you can see that the issues are still here. And I thought that's weird because haven't I just fixed that? So this is basically the blend file that I've saved. So it looks like we have that in object mode. It looks like that problem persists in edit mode. But check it out. If I head over to sculpt mode and have a closer look, the object is fixed. So this is in fact the change that I've sculpted in, just smoothed this out. And I was thinking, that is bizarre. So why then, if I go back to object mode, is it still broken? That doesn't really make any sense. So I did a test and exported this out as an OBJ file and looked at it in other applications, and it's also fixed. So this issue isn't in fact there. And I really don't know what that's all about. So I wondered if any one of you has the solution to this puzzle, or if this is in fact a Blender bug. If I tap back into edit mode, sometimes, and of course not now, but sometimes you see this actually fixed. So it's bizarre. I can't really explain it. I'm not using any multi-resolution modifiers or anything. Also happens when I go to the sculpting workspace. It's not there. I'm not using Dintopo or Dyntopo, whatever it's called. I'm not using a multi-resolution modifier. As you can, nope, that's not it. As you can see here, there's no modifiers on my object. So, total puzzle that is. If it is a bug, do let me know. If it is something that's fixable with a tick box, then please also do let me know. Thanks.